Hey, are you still sleeping? Shouldn't you be getting ready for school?
Oh, just a little longer. It's only morning.
Morning? Come on, we'll be late.
Wait a minute. I need to brush my teeth.
Seriously? You should have done that earlier. We have a test today.
Right. I forgot. Just a quick one.
Fine, but be quick. I'm feeling kind of hungry already.
Me too. Did you bring your snack box?
Yeah, I packed something. What about you?
My mom made me sandwiches. The usual.
Lucky, I have just some biscuits.
We can share. Come on, let's get a move on.
Okay, I'm coming. Did you finish your homework from yesterday?
Uh-oh. I think I forgot to do the math. What will the teacher say?
I told you, you're always leaving things to the last minute. Maybe we can quickly copy from someone before class?
You're a lifesaver. Who can we ask?
Let's see, maybe Sneha? She's always punctual.
Good idea. Okay, I'm done brushing. Let's go.
Finally, and make sure you don't forget your bag today.
Very funny. I have it right here. Which way should we take today?
The usual one, I think. It's the quickest.
Are you sure? Sometimes the other one can be less crowded.
It's too late to decide now. Let's just go. We can try the other way tomorrow.
Fine. You're always so impatient.
Someone needs to be, otherwise we'd never make it on time.
Do you remember our first day of school? We were so scared.
Yeah, and how we cried. Seems like such a long time ago.
It really does. I kind of miss those days.
Me too, but school is fun too. We have some great friends.
That's true. Hey, do you think we'll pass the exams this time?
We will if we study. Maybe we can study together sometime.
I'd like that. Let's plan it. Oh no, the time.
What? What happened?
We're going to be late for the bus. Run!
I told you. Let's go.
Pant. Do you think we'll make it?
We have to. The bus stop is just around the corner.
I can see it. Oh, thank goodness. It's still there.
See? I told you. Now hurry up. Let's get on it.
Made it. That was a close one.
Just don't do it again tomorrow, okay? My heart can't take it.
No promises. You know me.
So, what do you think we have today?
Let me think. I think there's PT period after lunch.
Yes, I love PT. What should we play?
Maybe football or basketball?
Football, definitely. We can challenge the other section.
You're right. That would be fun.
Look, we're here and on time.
See? I told you we could do it. Now, let's go before the bell rings.
Wait, don't forget your lunchbox.
Oh, thanks for the reminder. I'd have been completely lost.
You're welcome. Now let's have a great day.
You too. See you at break.
This bus is so crowded today. I can hardly breathe.
I know. It's the worst. I wish we could take the car.
Maybe tomorrow. Did you study for the science test?
A little. I'm more worried about the math one.
You'll be fine. You're good at math. Just need to practice more.
Thanks for the encouragement. What's the first class today?
Shh, keep your voice down. Someone might hear you.
Right, sorry. What are you doing for the project?
Haven't thought about it yet. We still have some time.
I want to do something interesting, not just the same old stuff.
Me too. Maybe we can come up with some ideas together later.
Sounds good. Oh, the bus is stopping. Let's get down.
Okay, wait for me.
Look, there's Sneha. Let's go ask her.
Hey Sneha, wait up.
Hi guys, what's up?
Did you finish your math homework?
Yes, of course. Why?
We kind of forgot. Can we quickly see?
I knew you would do this. Okay, come fast before the bell.